Press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to select Network Settings and press OK button. Select Wired Wireless LAN and press OK button. Select Wireless LAN and press OK button. Select Wireless LAN Settings and press OK button. The wireless LAN function must be enabled to continue. If the "Do you want to enable the wireless LAN" message is displayed, select Yes and press OK button. Select SSID settings and press OK button. Select Access Point and press OK button. The machine starts searching for available wireless routers. Select a wireless router and press OK button. Select the router whose SSID matches the one that you have written down. Enter the network key that you have written down. Enter the network key using the numeric keys and press Apply. Select Yes and press OK button. Check that the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking on the operation panel. The Wi-Fi indicator blinks when a wireless router is detected. When the setup is completed, the screen below is displayed, and approximately 2 seconds later, the Wi-Fi indicator lights up. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store on your smartphone. Go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon Print Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app, download and install the app on your smartphone. Open Canon Print app, launch the app once it has been installed. Add Printer, tap on the plus icon or select Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Canon MF8280Cw from the list. Follow prompts. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. You may need to confirm that you want to connect to this printer. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page from the Canon Print app. Select a document or photo and choose the print option.